All right, here is week 15's homework answer key. All right, on the first one, we're changing yards to feet. And so there are 3 yards for every, there are 3 feet for every yard. So here we're going to multiply 8 times 3 and get 24. Here you've got 8 times 3 is 24, and then we're going to add the additional 2. Here 4 times 3 is 12. And then on these, when we're going from feet to yard, now we're going to go the opposite way, so we're going to divide. So 3 goes into 28 9 times, and then there's 1 left over for that additional foot. Here, 14 divided by 3, that can go in there 4 times with 2 left over, and then 6 times 3 is 18. On the multiplication, you have 7.5 and 16.92. On the next one, she has 342 cans left, so they collected this many. Then they collected this many more, so I added those. Then they're going to donate the cans that they have left. And so, it was, they collected 189 more cans than the next week. So I took that amount and added that much and got 657. Then when they donate, they're giving away, so that was where I got the 342 left. Here we're finding the perimeter, and so we know the width is 6.5 and the length is 10. 6.5 and 6.5 is 13. 10 and 10 is 20. Perimeter, you add up all the sides, so we get 23 centimeters. Here we're comparing decimals, so make sure you add the zeros when needed to make sure they have the same number of digits, and then go ahead and compare. Here, Miss Johnson baked a delicious pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving dinner. She cut the pie into 12 equal slices, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then the adults ate 1/3, so I broke this into thirds. So if it's 12 and I'm breaking it into thirds, that means that each third would have 4 pieces. So this line right here is showing 1/3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is showing 1/3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, so the adults, so I put A for adults, they ate 1/3. And then the kids who were very hungry after playing ate 1/4. So then I came and broke it into fourths. So then that means that every 3 would be a fourth. So here's 1/4, 2/4, and then 3/4, and then 4/4. And so the kids ate 1 of the fourths, so I put K for kids. So how much was left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 12. On the back here, you're multiplying to see how much they cost. Here, order of operations, we're going to do our groups first. So we divided, get 5, multiply, get 4. We add first before, because it's on the left, and then we end up with 5. Here, they're hosting Thanksgiving dinner. There's 36 people, or they need to buy dinner rolls for 36 people. The rolls come in packs of 8, and so I divided that. And then here I had to round up to 5 bags because you can't have a remainder of 4. And then if each bag costs $3.50, then we're going to multiply that to get the total cost on that. Here, Jacqueline works 5 days a week. She spends 1/3 each day. So here's the 5 days and then 1/3 showing. And so in order to get how much she spends, we're going to multiply that 5 times 1/3. These 11 decreased by K, so decreased, we're going down, increased, we're going up. And then on the back here, you had to draw the arrows correctly. So 1.9, 5.2, 8.6, 4.3. Each of these is counting by tenths. So these are your whole numbers, and then in between would be halfway, and you just count 1/10, 2/10, and so on to get where you need to be. All right, thanks.